Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive login error. Something went wrong. First of all, you're going to force close the app, swipe it off from the bottom and then remove it, then restart your phone or restart the app. After that, you're going to restart your phone, then check your internet connection, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi. After that, we're going to update your Drive app. So go to the app store, search for Drive, and then see if there is an update button. If there is, then update your app to the latest version, and if you need to reinstall your app, then reinstall if need. Safety tip: only install updates from the official app store to avoid compromised apps. Quick fix: if the app still errors, sign in through Safari at drive.google.com and access files from the browser. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.